Our planet and its resources are under pressure. We need sustainable practices to safeguard the future. With this biochar, we can help achieve sustainability at scale. We use Atlas Copco's compressed air solutions to help us produce quality biochar. Biochar is a solid material produced by carbonizing biomass in a high-temperature reactor in absence of oxygen. It has various applications in industry. The most common one is as a soil conditioner to increase agriculture productivity. There are also very exciting high-tech applications, such as in battery technology or as a filter material. Circle Carbon is a leading producer of biochar. This is our production facility in the heart of Hamburg's Industrial Harbour district. This manufacturing facility is carbon net negative. We chose the tools and the processes to minimize the impact on the environment.
One of Circular Carbon's indispensable tools is its compressed air installation, a state-of-the-art system supplied by Atlas Copco.
So the GA11 VSD Plus is not just any screw compressor. Its variable speed drive makes it our most energy-efficient machine. The VSD Plus tunes the compressed air production to the demand coming for the process, so nothing is wasted. Its energy savings and other smart innovations result in a total lifecycle cost saving of 37%. That's important for a company like Circular Carbon, who values sustainability, but it's just as important to any other business. This compressor relies on permanent magnet motor technology. The result is a lower energy consumption, higher uptime, and a higher vertical machine as well, with a limited footprint.
Quality compressed air is crucial for many different elements of Circular Carbon's production process.
Our exhaust gas treatment system uses compressed air, as do several safety valves. We need it at the big bag station to open and close the product outlet, and we use it to evacuate sludge at the steam boiler. It will be extremely hard to run this production facility for biochar without Atlas Copco compressed air production.
Circular Carbon doesn't just need any compressed air. They need high-quality, dry compressed air. Atlas Copco had the perfect solution.
We installed a CD35 Plus dryer that boasts Cerades, a revolutionary ceramic desiccant. Forget about loose beads. This desiccant is solid structured, and that brings numerous advantages. The air doesn't have to work its way through loose material, it flows straight through Cerades. That reduces the pressure drop in the dryer and saves on energy costs. Loose beads also decay over time because of friction. Cerades is more durable, which means extended service intervals, and a more reliable dew point. Basically, this technology offers higher quality air at a lower cost.
Savings and sustainability can be found in the most unexpected places. In a desiccant dryer, but also on city streets and in urban parks.
Hamburg is known as the green city because of its many parks, but a large percentage of trees that are planted in urban environments die before their largest environmental gains can be achieved. Biochar is a powerful soil conditioner that can help significantly reduce the mortality rate of these urban trees. The biochar we produce at our Hamburg site is made from discarded cocoa shells from a cocoa factory next door. They send thousands of tons of shells our way via a transport bridge. We turn those into biochar, and as a bonus, the steam that is produced by our process is sent back to the cocoa factory. This is circularity at its best, from waste product to sustainable solution. The potential positive impact of biochar on the environment is huge.
Circular Carbon's approach is a prime example of how different partners can collaborate to become more sustainable, just like in a natural ecosystem and in an Atlas Copco solution.
Like in nature, a compressed air installation is all about balance. The separate parts contribute to a system with the highest possible sustainability. In this case, the compressor and the dryer take the lead. Together, they work for the environment, the natural environment, but also that of the production workers.
Both the compressor and the dryer contribute to a silent working environment.
The installation produces around 63 dBA. That's about the same level as a normal conversation. Silent operation is important when your installation is on the work floor, as it is here. The solid structured ceramics of Cerades also keep the air clean. When loose desiccant beads decay, they release dust into the ambient air. With Cerades, there's no dust released into the workplace air. not even during maintenance and replacement. That's an important health benefit.
In a world that is becoming smaller, everything is connected, from cacao trees in the Amazon to the trees in our densely populated cities. To be sustainable, we need technology and business practices to step up.
Atlas Copco and Circular Carbon both focus on sustainability without compromising on quality. Every single aspect of our compressed air systems contributes to their sustainable, energy-efficient and reliable operation. We owe that to our customers and to our planet.